Making tax payments has never been easier. With ICICI Bank, pay your advance and self-assessment tax within moments by using iMobile app and internet banking. To pay your taxes in a few easy steps, using ICICI Bank iMobile app. Log in to iMobile app. Tap on Invest and Insure tab. Tap on All Relationships. Scroll down and tap on Tax Payments. To pay taxes on others' behalf, tap on Other. For paying your own taxes, tap on Self. All your details will be auto-fetched if you tap on Self. Check all your details thoroughly and tap on Submit. Select the type of tax payment, that is advance tax or self-assessment tax, from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount to be paid. Select the account to be debited and tap on Submit. Check your details thoroughly on the pre-confirmation screen and tap on Submit. You have successfully made your tax payment. You can easily download the receipt by tapping on View PDF. The same process can be done easily on ICICI Bank Internet Banking as well. To begin, log into ICICI Bank Internet Banking with your user ID and password or your registered mobile number. On the dashboard, go to Payments and Transfer and click on Tax Center from the drop-down menu. Go to Pay Tax section and click on Pay Now under Direct Tax. A new portal will open after you click on Proceed. Please ensure that your pop-up blocker is disabled. Select the type of tax payment from the three options on the drop-down menu. The options you will see are Advance Tax, Self-Assessment Tax, and TDS/TCS. Please select the type of tax payment you want to make. Enter your PAN number and click on Validate. Enter your state, district and PIN code. Enter transaction date and time slot. Enter the amount of tax to be paid. Enter the penalty code if any. Select your debit account number. Click on Proceed. Review details thoroughly and click on Submit. Tax payment is done. You can now save the receipt as PDF by clicking on Download PDF. Your tax payment simplified with ICICI Bank, iMobile and Internet Banking. For more information, log on to www.icicibank.com.